People is proud to present the 40 Days 40 FinTechs, an initiative under its Include Everyone program, which is leading the way in advocating for technology that promotes financial inclusivity. Since 2020, we've profiled over 100 FinTechs, and our inaugural edition in Tanzania is shining a spotlight on those breaking down digital barriers and transforming lives for the better.
My name is Rahim Hamza Shoo. I am Chief of Product and Business Development for Payfi. Payfi is a digital payment collection platform for both associations and schools. So basically what Payfi does is it facilitates association to collect their monthly or quarterly or yearly fee from its members through a digital system. We allow multiple collection channels. This can be mobile, bank, or bank transfers or bank deposit. So we currently work with 3 banks, namely CRDB, NMB, and TCB Bank, to facilitate members' contributions for their yearly collection. So for us, the way Payfi it works, we will first start by onboarding a school as the organization that has students as its members. So we all know you have to pay school fees either quarterly or semi-annually or annually. So with that, we create a unique identifier for every student, which will be linked to their parents who will be, or their guardian who will be the one to pay the school fees. And this will allow the school to digitally track all the expected fee collection for every semester and notify the parent or the guardian of when the fee is due for payment. This unique identifier created for every student is also being used as the permanent reference number for the schools to make, for the parents to make payment of the fees. So for the parents to use the Payfi platform, first the school will have to be onboarded to as the users of our solution. So that is like the most important step for it to happen. And also the school will either choose to work with our partner bank or to suggest the bank that they are working with, and we can do the necessary integrations that will allow for the digital transactions to be captured in the school's Payfi platform. Financial inclusion gets hit in the Achilles heel by the financial charges, for example. Because for me to execute a transaction of making a payment from mobile money account or mobile wallet account to my bank account, it costs up to 15% in some of the transactions. And I'm talking transferring around, say, 100,000 shillings. So it is very expensive to make transactions digitally. So that has been like the biggest downside. Of course, there has been talks in the space through the COSTECH and FinTech Association in Tanzania. There have been talks with the Central Bank of Tanzania to see if they can actually reduce these charges. Of course, for the financial year 2022-2023, the charges were very high, but this time around the charges have been reduced, thankfully. But we believe more can actually be done to make financial inclusion a truly attainable goal. Myself, having seen what 40 Days 40 FinTech platform has done for one startup that I know from Tanzania, is enormous, because there is a possibility for stakeholders in the space to see what we are doing with our Payfi platform and what opportunities are there for them. So, I mean, the platform can be seen by investors, can be seen by partners who are also working in the space, because we know it's not like we are reinventing the wheel. We know there are other actors in the space who are doing the same, and they are probably interested in getting into Tanzanian market, and they can see us like the place where they can start with and scale their business.
Join us in this financial inclusivity revolution, presented in partnership with Level 1 Project, Information and Communication Technologies Commission ICTC, Founders Academy, Cyber PLC Academy, Cross-Leg Technologies, Infitex, Ideation Corner, and the Mojo Loop Foundation, with generous support from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Follow hashtag 40 Days for FinTechs, hashtag Level 1 Project to learn more and get involved in creating a brighter financial future for all.